Welcome to the Royal Choice channel. Today we will see the 15 ways to simplify your life. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel to get a new video update. Are you in need of some help to simplify your life? Make this year a year to remember, a year for you to work on how you can simplify your life. The start of saying no to things you don't want to do and yes to things that you have wanted to do for too long. Take a step back and reassess what is important and what isn't, what we want more and less of, and what is adding unnecessary stress to our lives. 1. Declutter. There is no greater approach to simplify your life than via decluttering. When we reduce the surplus, we may focus more on the important. By removing things that do not add value to our life, we help to simplify our lives. By decreasing the clutter in our houses, we open ourselves up to countless benefits. We reduce the tension caused by too much stuff, the amount of time we waste cleaning and maintaining our possessions, and can rapidly see the financial benefits when we are more intentional with our spending. Check out these 101 things to declutter in your home right now to get you started. 2. Learn to say no. Don't overbook your weeknights and weekends with little relaxation or rest. It's okay to say no to people and events. For whatever reason, if you don't want to go to anything, or if you think you'll lose it if you go, it's alright to say no. Simplify your life by reserving time for your passions. 3. Say yes to things you want to do. We can get caught up in doing things we don't want to do, and the ones we do want to do get pushed aside. We have more time to rest, exercise, watch a movie, learn a new instrument, or read when we learn to allocate our time properly. By saying no more, we free up our calendar to say yes to more unplanned things like a beach day or hanging out with a new friend. 4. Find joy in the small things. To be happy, you don't need the latest iPhone or countless holidays. Don't live for huge purchases and escape when everyday joy can be found. Every day, do activities that offer you delight and enjoy them. It may be a game with your kids, a documentary, a hot chocolate, and a lovely candle on a relaxing night in front of the TV. Finding joy in the tiny things can help us simplify our lives and appreciate the small things. 5. Remove and minimize toxic relationships. Toxic relationships add to our daily stress. Achieving our aims may be hampered by them. On the Minimalist's blog, Fake, Joshua Fields Milburn says, "You can't change the people around you, but you can change them." It's here. We can't change individuals in our lives, but we can change who we keep close to us. We need to remove or reduce interaction with persons in our lives that detract from our enjoyment or are poisonous to our health. We can live happier lives by removing those who drain our energy and bring us down. A simple chat about new limits and expectations can often turn a bad relationship around. 6. Read more. Ought to have less time to read? Relax, learn new things, and get immersed in a book while reading. When we read, we stop all other distractions and focus on one activity that will help us simplify our life. 7. Spend less time on social media. Spending less time on social media and phones might free up a lot of time. You probably don't realize how much time it costs you. Consciously use less social media. Reduce stress by uninstalling apps from your phone for a short time, or if that's too daunting, try timing your use. Limit yourself to only your tea break or put your phone away at a specific time. Put your phone on airplane mode or in a drawer when you have essential things to do. 8. Simplify your wardrobe. Simplify your life by analyzing your wardrobe and recognizing your current style. Be honest about what you will and will not wear. Fear not letting go of stuff you no longer need. You can always replace them with something better. We alleviate stress by limiting our overloaded wardrobes. Give yourself a morning break in 2022 by adopting a compact wardrobe. 9. Eat less and be more mindful with food. I have been guilty of not watching my food intake as much as I should have. With YouTube, TV, Netflix, messenger chats, and other distractions, we might lose track of how much we eat. Simplify your life by paying attention to what you consume and how much. Eat slowly. Recognize when you are full and stop eating if you are, and whether you are eating out of boredom. 10. Reduce stress. Simplify your life by reducing or eliminating stressors. Is your workplace toxic? Change your job. Is housework getting to you? Consider hiring a cleaning to help you out. Is going out all weekend preventing you from relaxing after a long week? Limit your weekend trips to 1 or 2 so you have time to unwind and catch up at home. Take note of the signs. Is your pulse racing? Is breathing hard? Do you feel overwhelmed and unable to stop worrying? Ask for aid if you can't fix something on your own. Unseen issues can cause tension, and an outsider's perspective can help you see them. 11. Limit your exposure to advertising. Nothing is more pointless than watching commercial after commercial. Find strategies to simplify your life. I arrive later at the cinemas, so I ignore the advertising, but I do enjoy viewing the next movie trailers. Join Spotify and enjoy ad-free music. Reduce TV time or use ad-free streaming services like Netflix. Buying magazines is more difficult because many of them are merely advertisements. 12. Unsubscribe from unwanted email subscriptions. An unopened email inbox may be soul-destroying. Simplify your life by deleting unwanted subscriptions. Unsubscribe from each email as it arrives if you feel it adds no value and clutters your inbox. No longer being flooded with sale notifications will not only save you money but time spent opening and maintaining your inbox. 13. Automate your finances. Automating your accounts will relieve you of the stress of budgeting and financial management. Pay yourself first and save without thought or pain to avoid temptation to squander your entire income. Once you become adjusted to your new savings transfers, you won't feel deprived of your new spending allowance. Each donation will make it easier. You'll also save time manually transferring funds each pay period and enjoy watching your savings account grow. Set up direct debits for your primary expenses to save time paying them. 14. Limit your mail. Simplify your life by having all your bills sent to you instead of having to sort through the mail every week. This will not only save you time but also prevent the inevitable bill pile-up. Create keyword-based automatic filters in Gmail to digitally file your invoices for you, eliminating the need to physically file them at home. Reduce time spent collecting junk mail by putting a no junk mail sign on your letterbox. The greatest pricing may be found by rapidly searching for it on Google. 15. Pack less when traveling. This has really saved my sanity as someone who travels a few times a year. In the past, I would have crammed 23 kilograms of bags plus carry-on into my suitcase, expecting I would need more than I did. Make it a point to purposefully simplify your life by packing light the next time you travel. It will be easier to find things in your bag as you need them, and you will save money on baggage fees if you are flying. It will mean less frustration at the airport and commuting with your luggage weightless, less stress worrying about getting things to fit in your suitcase on travel days, or fitting things into your car, and it will be easier to find things in your bag as you need them. What changes have you implemented to help you simplify your life? What do you want to do to simplify your life in 2018? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found value in this video, would be super appreciative if you could like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.